Having trouble with your browser's performance? Learn how to clear browsing data in Google Chrome, cookies, cache, history, and boost your browsing speed. Open your Chrome browser. Click on the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. This is the main menu where you can access various settings. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open a new tab with all the Chrome settings. In the Settings menu, click on Privacy and Security on the left side. This section includes all the privacy-related settings for Chrome. Now click on Clear Browsing Data. This will open a pop-up window where you can select what data to clear. Choose the time range for which you want to clear the data. You can select options like the last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time to delete everything. Make sure all options are checked. This includes browsing history, cookies, and cached images and files. Finally, click on Clear Data. This will delete the selected data from your browser. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your browsing data in Chrome. Doing this regularly can help keep your browser running smoothly and protect your privacy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.